If I had to start making money online again, this is specifically what I would do. If you want to make more money online, faster and easier, copy this strategy exactly. And I'll cut to the chase and share exactly how you can have massive success, even if you are a first time online beginner. And if you've been trying to make money online, but not getting the results you hope for, this video is for you too. So stick with me. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I've been making money online full time for more than 20 years now. And here's what I've learned. Here's what I do to be successful. Here's what you need to do to make more money. And I will share my number one recommended income stream at the end of this video. See, first and foremost, the most important factor in your success is the actual business that you decide to build. And here's the problem. Too many people get this wrong, way wrong. They select crummy products to promote from affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, and others. You know, things that you wouldn't think of sharing with your mother or best friend, or things that are already over promoted by massive competition. And don't even think about wasting your time with things like doing online surveys. Or even worse yet, is trying to make money with online opportunities that just are not profitable. You need to focus on marketing high demand online products that pay big commissions. Mine pays out 80% commissions, and it pays out long-term recurring or passive income too. Imagine getting paid month after month for each of the sales you make without putting in any additional effort. And that's key to making lots of money. Then you need to take a close look at just how you will market that opportunity. For years, I've been big on systems. They are how I leverage my time. And especially for those new to making money online, the marketing system that you use will be a major key to your success. It must be effective, be easy to set up, and be scalable. Don't make the mistake of trying to sell your online offer directly from an ad. You must have a way to generate high quality leads every day for free, and then use them to build an email list and then market effectively to your list. And lastly, super critical to your success will be receiving excellent training, support, and mentoring. Don't make the mistake of trying to go it alone or wasting time thinking you can reinvent the wheel and come up with a better way to do things. You need an exact system to copy. So with all of that in mind, let me tell you about my number one recommended income stream. I've been building it for over 4 years now. It's simple. Almost anyone can do it. It's a unique affiliate marketing opportunity, and I recommend affiliate marketing for all experience levels of marketers. With the right affiliate opportunity, there is a very short learning curve, nothing to inventory, and you can make an excellent income with passive income too. And since it's all done online, you can do it at your convenience. It's ideal for busy people. My business markets 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. The company pays us 80% commissions for every sale. You can make as much as $800 on a single sale, and you can get paid passive or recurring income on 3 of the products. Here's what makes it so simple. You'll have your own high-converting online marketing system with lead capture pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails to send out. And you will not have to create anything. All of the techie stuff is done for you. And your system will be just like the marketing system that I use, but yours will be personalized to brand and promote you. You will get excellent training and support. We will teach you everything you need. We have a great training website with dozens of how-to videos, including our unique quick start strategy that helps many new people make money their very first day. We hold daily live interactive conference calls on Zoom, led by industry leaders, where we train on everything related to marketing. And these Zoom calls are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. Plus, we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. And then most importantly, I will mentor you personally. You will never wonder about what to do next. Making money online is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. So to learn more and to start making money online today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.